Hello, this is your ACA 122 instructor, Deborah Manus. This week we are finishing up week 3, and you should have submitted your self-assessment summary. In Blackboard week 3, it says submit homework 2 self-assessment summary here, so there should be no question where you submit that, and I will start grading those or continue grading those tomorrow. All of the assessments should be included on the summary worksheet, and you can either copy and paste that in the Word box where it says submit here, or you can attach your Word document. Either one is fine. For week 4, you have 4 items that you'll be working on. First, I'm asking you to read Chapter 5. In Chapter 5, there is a time management self-assessment on page 105 to 108. You'll see that there's a PowerPoint to go along with Chapter 5, lots of tips on time management, which in an online class you have to be good at to get everything in on time. There's also a time log that you can use that is in the homework 3 for time management self-evaluation. And what this is for a few days you are writing down what you think you do, and then for a few days of the week you're writing down what you actually do, and then looking to see if you're actually spending your time where you feel like you're spending your time. So it's meant to be an assessment to help you evaluate if you're spending enough time on your college courses. So that's the primary, and I hope that'll be helpful to you. You do need to submit that for your week 4 assignment. Again, your attendance is based on entering and completing assignments. So every time you have a homework assignment or to post something, that's what I'm using for your attendance. If I do not see that posted in Blackboard, I try to give you a reminder a day ahead. And then if it's not posted by the Monday of each week, then I do give you an absence and email you And this week you're also going to be working or looking at career goal exploration. I know a lot of college students, especially if you're in your first year of college, you're not really sure what you want to do, but most of you that are in this program are in a college transfer, so you've got some idea of where you might want to go and what you might want to do. If you're not sure of what career to use for this project, pick something that you are interested in and that you could see yourself working in the future. The goal here is to try to explore a career that you are actually interested in. So don't choose one that a friend's doing, don't choose something that your mom or dad is doing. Choose a career that you can actually see yourself doing, because you want to get some ideas about that career that will help you set some good long-term goals. The directions for the career profile paper are listed here in week 4. I've also included an MLA formatting paper. If you haven't written a paper in MLA format, this will help you, and I suggest, even if you have, to go through and look at the information that I've put there. I've given you a link for the occupational handbook that's very good in helping you get some of the basic information about any career in the United States. I've also highly recommend that you go ahead and start looking for someone that you might interview for that project, and that's why you need to go ahead and look at that this week. I've also included a link for Purdue Online Writing Center. That's a link. They are considered one of the best recommendations for MLA format. This is the book that I use for my graduate class, MLA Handbook for Writers, Writing Research Papers, 7th edition. So when I set up the MLA format that's listed for week 4, this is the format that I was using. I hope you have a good week. This is a good time management lesson this week. And again, go ahead and look at your career profile paper. Take care.